every evening so the people would have meat to eat. Join us again for true stories from the Bible in contemporary English.
Your favorite music from the 80s, 90s, and today. This is your new life station, KNLS.
Mr. Mister brings us a classic from the 80s on KNLS.
We love to make God's Word available to anyone who asks. We have the Bible in the easy-to-read English version. You can get one free of charge. Just write to us at KNLS, Anchor Point, Alaska, 99556 USA, or email us at knls@aol.com. Or you can check out our other free offers on our website, www.knls.org. Here's a classic from Heart on your new life station, KNLS.